What if everything you know about time is wrong? What if the future isn't waiting to happen? It's already happened, and you're just watching it unfold in reverse. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every second ticking away. Could it actually be flowing backward, and we just can't see it? Physicists have been trying to answer one question for centuries. Why does time only move forward? Because in the equations of physics, time has no direction. Whether a glass shatters or unshatters, the math works both ways. But in our world, broken glasses don't reassemble, the dead don't rise, and moments never repeat. So where does this arrow of time even come from? And here's where things get strange. Recent discoveries in quantum physics suggest that the flow of time might not be as one-directional as we think. To understand this, we need to go back, not in time, but to the beginning of time itself. When the universe was born 13.8 billion years ago, it started in a state of perfect order, pure energy, smooth, uniform, simple. Then came chaos. Stars exploded, galaxies formed, and entropy, the measure of disorder, began to rise. This, scientists believe, created the illusion of time, because as entropy increases, time seems to move forward. But what if it's just our brains interpreting a deeper cosmic pattern? Let's imagine two universes. One, ours, where entropy increases and time flows forward, and another, a mirror universe, born from the same Big Bang, where entropy decreases. To them, we would be the ones living backward. This isn't science fiction. In 2014, a group of physicists, including Julian Barber, proposed that the Big Bang could have created two universes, identical in matter, but opposite in time's direction. In other words, while we're moving forward, they're moving backward. Their future is our past. Think about that for a second. In that mirror cosmos, you might already be dead, then alive, then a child again, rewinding through existence. Now, let's zoom in even deeper to the quantum world, where time's rules start to fall apart completely. In experiments with subatomic particles, scientists have observed something bizarre. When you entangle two particles, measuring one seems to affect the other, instantly, even if they're light years apart. It's as if information travels backward in time to make the connection happen. One experiment at Washington University even showed that decisions made in the present could affect outcomes in the past. This phenomenon is known as retrocausality. So if cause and effect can blur on a quantum level, is it possible that time doesn't flow at all, but that everything already exists all at once? Think of it like a DVD. The movie is already there, every frame, from start to finish. You just experience it one scene at a time. Maybe that's what time really is, not a river, but a record, and we're just the laser reading it in one direction. Now here's the part that gives even scientists goosebumps. What if the arrow of time isn't universal? What if, somewhere out there, in a distant galaxy, time flows the other way? In that world, the dead are born, the sun sets before it rises, and memories are made before moments happen. And maybe, when you dream, when déjà vu hits, when a moment feels like it's already happened, you're just catching a glimpse from that other side of time. So, could time actually be flowing backward? Maybe not for us, but the universe is far stranger than our perception of it. The laws of physics don't demand that time move forward. Only entropy does, and entropy might just be the trick our universe plays to keep everything from happening at once. In the end, the question isn't, is time real? It's, is the direction of time just an illusion? And if it is, then maybe, somewhere in the vastness of space, another version of you has already reached the end and is watching your life unfold in reverse.